Hi, it's Ricky from Wyndham City Libraries, and today I'm going to show you how to use the external return chute in 3 easy steps. Remember, if you're returning DVDs, check that the disc is inside the case before you return them. Step 1. Hold one of your items to return in front of the instructions panel. This will unlock the chute when you hear the click. Step 2. Open the chute. Step 3. Place your items in the chute. You can place multiple items in together. Close the chute and your items are returned. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please contact our friendly librarians by calling 8734 2600 or by filling out our Ask a Librarian form. You can see the link to the form in the description below. Happy borrowing!